The second study comes out of Israel by Boozy and Gross et al. In 2013. It's entitled, Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy Can Improve Post-Concussion Syndrome Years After Mild Traumatic Brain Injury. This is important because very rarely are we seeing these individuals in an acute setting. The effectiveness of hyperbarics in an acute setting could be much better and provide much greater results. The effects of pressure on the human body are interesting. One of the things that I will say is that I was a medevac pilot by a former life. I've had several careers and I've been fortunate to enjoy all of them. The thing with hyperbarics and what is different about this conflict from any other conflict is within 72 hours, we're actually putting these guys in flight. If you've experienced a hyperbaric or a blast injury, an application of increased pressure, if you have any damage or compromise, subjecting the individual to flight stands to worsen that injury. They were flying from Iraq and Afghanistan to Germany. And not only were they doing that, but they were flying at an altitude of between 6,500 and 8,000 feet. The gold standard for medical evacuation is a sea level evacuation, and that was rarely done. This study actually showed, and it's printed, that hyperbaric oxygen therapy can induce neuroplasticity, leading to repair of chronically impaired brain function and improve the quality of life of many of the mild traumatic brain injury patients with prolonged post-concussive syndromes in a late and chronic stage. Now, it's limited in its study because it only saw 46 patients in the study. However, what's important is to look at this study, how it was presented, and especially on the VA website in 2016, they said there were no improvements in cognition or quality of life. You know, it's amazing how it's consistently misrepresented in this way where they emphasize there are no improvements.